Hi everyone, welcome to this crash course on consciousness. So in the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna talk about what consciousness is, its different states, and how it shapes our experiences of the world. So yeah, let's just dive right in. So consciousness refers to our awareness of ourselves and our environment, and it's what allows us to think, feel, and act in the moment. So there are different levels of consciousness, so from full alertness to deep sleep. So some key points to mention include waking consciousness, which is like the state of your active mental engagement. Then we have the altered states of consciousness, which includes states like daydreaming, intoxication, or meditation. We also have the unconscious process, which includes like automatic functions like breathing or digestion. So yeah, consciousness is the spotlight of our mind, and it highlights what we're focused on and filters out distractions. And one thing I learned recently is this is actually a quote from a TEDx talk I read, which basically says that a distracted mind is an unhappy mind, and I'm gonna go through this in the next few um, topics we're gonna talk about, like the altered state. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the sleep cycle. So this is like the most important aspects of our consciousness, which is sleep. So there's different stages in sleep. So we have NREM1, which is like light sleep, which is it's very easy to wake up during this stage of sleep. We have the next one, which is REM2, which is like deeper relaxation and slower brain waves. Um, the third one is deep sleep, which is like crucial for the restoration of our bodies. And then we have REM, which is the type of sleep when you have like rapid eye movement and you have like vivid dreams that occur during this sleep cycle. So yeah, a quote that I like to read is that sleep is vital for physical and mental health, and it consolidates memories, regulates emotions, and refreshes the body. So yeah, sleep is very important. So now we're gonna talk about the altered state of our mind. So yeah, we also experience like many different states of consciousness during activities like meditation, hypnosis, or substance use like drugs or whatever. So these states shift how we perceive reality. So some key examples include like meditation, which heightens our focus and awareness, which is good obviously. Then we have like hypnosis, which is like it can enhance suggestibility. So if you've seen like movies where they like hypnotize people and they like have them do certain tasks that they probably wouldn't do if they weren't being hypnotized. So that's like another thing. Then we have psychoactive drugs. So this can like alter brain chemistry and produce effects like hallucinations or euphoria. So yeah, these states reveal the flexibility of the human mind and how external and internal factors can change our perception. So yeah, consciousness is central to understanding human behavior and mental health, and it influences everything from our thoughts and dreams to our identity and decision making. So yeah, thanks for tuning in to my crash course, and I hope you have a good day and took something out of this.